Good morning, guys. Be right with you. I woke up a little late. Oh my god, I missed a 15-minute opening range trade. Let's see if it even triggered. No, it didn't even trigger yet. We could still do it. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Good morning. Got some new Apex accounts. We could try taking this 15-minute aggressively. All right, I'm in. It's not gonna be a long stream today, guys. Probably like an hour, maybe hour and a half. I do have a wedding to play at today, and I haven't prepped yet, so. Alrighty, NQ. Banger of a start with $1,000 bomb. Let's go. Gonna take that profit all day, every day. First day on this account. So it's not bad. 15-minute opening range trade, man. It's just been very solid. I did not trade my live accounts because they didn't clear yet from the payout. So I didn't trade them. And then I didn't trade a few of my Apex accounts that are waiting for a payout as well. So played it safe today. I wasn't sure if I was gonna even trade because I was like, I had a late night. I stayed up till 3 a.m. playing PGA Tour with Nutty. So yeah, a little tired, but I woke up, so it was good. So Apex is 90% off with $85 activation, and I activated my accounts today. I passed some on the earnings yesterday, and then I have one more that I gotta pass. Well, I just passed it actually. Where is it? I gotta check where it was. A 250K. All right, nice sell off though. Nice sell off. Nice volatility. Of course, the day I gotta go to work, volatility seems like it's gonna be decent because of the earnings. So we'll see what happens. ORB was tricky today, guys. Let me show you the ORB actually. Yeah, I was showing my. So this is an 8-second chart. I don't trade on an 8-second, but you can kind of see it in more in depth. So I avoided the short, and then I would have went short if it broke the lows again, but it didn't. It shot up, so I went long, and it was a fairly easy win today. So green all week. So we'll take that. And I did get my $10,000 payout. Well, like 8,500 after split. One second, guys. I don't know. Trying to do the overlay for the stream. Wow, what a dump. What a dump we're having right now. I hate when they do sales like right during the stream because then I gotta update the overlays on stream and I suck at that. So it's taking too long. Oh my god, I need an editor. Who do I hire? Who wants to be my editor? Wow. I didn't notice this part. So Apex. And let's see if that works. Yeah, let's look at two-legged pullbacks here. Maybe we'll get more sell-off. You can have 20 PAs at the same time with Apex. Yeah, so the big accounts, guys, the big accounts are only $37, and I passed one 250K eval today. So I passed it yesterday, but I was short by like $100. So I passed it today. I don't remember which eval it was. Why is this one still here? I passed this one. I thought I activated it. Didn't activate yet? Come on. I should have 17 PA accounts right now. I don't know how many I have. Whatever, we're gonna worry about that later because we do have a two-legged pullback here. I kind of just missed it. Let's take a quick entry there. Scalp. See if it continues. It's right at the VWAP. And we do have a trap right here. Is that gonna be too far of a stop? No. Only gonna look for like 10 points here. Yeah, VWAP is rejecting. And then we also have the 15-minute low. Not a great entry as far as that goes, but setup is there. Two-legged pullback. First pullback here. Second pullback here. Break of that high. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work. First days of the accounts. There we go. Come on. A little bit more. I mean, hoping for like 10 points here. Doesn't look like it wants to give it to me though. Maybe. Come on. Wow. Teasing me. Thank you, Attic. I'm not sure actually. That's a good question with the static accounts. I don't know anyone that trades them actually. Well, that's unfortunate. That is unfortunate. Yeah, I'm exhausted, but hopefully I'll wake up tomorrow. Tomorrow's gonna be the tougher day to wake up because I have work tonight. Alrighty then. will take that. Wide stop for the win. You guys can't see all my accounts. The activation, I'm assuming it ends on September 2nd. That's when all of it ends. Yeah. So it's not really, the activation is not really good if you don't pass today or Tuesday. So you have only 2 days to pass, you know. Actually, no, you have tomorrow too. Never mind. You have 3 days to pass, so you should be fine. Yep. Apex 85. I was activating my accounts this morning and I was like, whoa, why is this $85? Like I don't see any promos. And then like 2 minutes later I got the email from Apex. Of course, what a rip after I get out. It's like we got to play 3-legged pullbacks, seems like. Volatility is very nice today. Whoops. Jumped in there too soon. But yeah, this was my payout from Tradeify yesterday. Very nice. Yes, it's Patrick's birthday for sure. All right. This is not good. Bought the top there like a dummy. Tried to get a quick scalp. Can't even really add. Well, actually, I'll add one, and then if it stops me out for 750, so be it. I'm gonna if it breaks 645 and it holds, I'm gonna just re-enter again. Come on, let's get a pop here. One more quick pop. Get me out of this. That was a bad entry. I just really have no time to trade today, so I'm trying to get a trade in all these new accounts. Kind of got FOMO for selling too soon here. Push it. There we go. Come on. Come on, a little bit more. All right, so I got rid of the ad. Come on, just squeeze. Come on, baby. Nope. All right. I have to hope that the trap here works. Still holding higher lows. There you go. Come on. Could do it. No, it's so choppy, man. It's not. Actually, it is already 10 o'clock. I was gonna say it's not even 10 o'clock yet, but I forgot I started the stream late. I hope it's not the same as this whole entire week. This whole entire week at 10 o'clock, just things died down a lot. I mean, what are the odds of me buying the top right there? That was crazy. It's holding. It's still holding up a little bit. Doesn't want to. It doesn't want to give up. What will it do? What will it do? Tomorrow we're gonna go over my payouts for the month. We're gonna add it all up. That's gonna be part of the segment on the stream. I'm still waiting for Apex to decide if I'm gonna get paid or not. So it's I have around $6,000 pending with Apex. So that's gonna be a determining factor whether or not I have a 40K month. But like I can't remember if how much I took out from Take Profit Trader this month. It's been so long ago. So we'll add it all up, see what it's at. Come on, baby. Go through 680s, please. Rip it. Just rip it. So me and Nutty played PGA golf yesterday, and let's just say I need more practice. Wow, I am a greedy bastard. How many times is it gonna fake out? Which way is it gonna go? Oh man, this is not holding. Whoopsies. I got greedy. I got greedy on it. Hopefully the trap works. Every time I have a new position, I just set my stop to 750. I guess trap is not gonna work. I think this is gonna sell off. I guess, right? Is that the plan? Or we're gonna bounce a VWAP, stop me out, and then go higher? Yep. I had so many chances to get out of this. I had so many chances to get out of this, and I just refused. Let's go, Dream Chaser. That's awesome. 5 master accounts. That is sick. I don't think I've ever gotten a payout from 5 at once. No, definitely not. That's a very good achievement. I am sure Ball Knox is gonna run the 90% off sale too, probably tomorrow. or by end of today. Go. Go. Yes. After all the struggles, I could just take the profit now. I'm already up like 400 bucks. Just fill me. It would feel so good if I get filled on the ask instead of having to mark it out of the trade. Oh my God. Jeez, what is going on? Finally. Is this real? Is this real life right now? Sometimes I question myself. Why? Why am I the chosen one? Unbelievable. That's crazy. Holy shit. Twice, not once, two times, literally missed. And it's not like I have my order at resistance, you know, I have it way below I have 5-6 points below the lows of that previous swing, you know, it's not like, wow. Sometimes I really wonder. Don't be a dick for, I'm not trying to be, but like, it's not a tick. It's literally, if I get out right here, right, that's 5 points difference. That's a 5 point difference right there. Unbelievable. I could have been trading another account already. Oh, now I'm mad. Now I'm mad. I wouldn't care if I lost before. Now I'm going to be pissed. Because, of course, now it's trapped. So now it's definitely going to sell off. The only thing that's going to save me is if I add and it bounces a little bit. One tick, 2 times. This one was 2 ticks. This one was 1 tick away. Secured my 11th payout from the same Bullnox account. Let's go. Surprised they haven't put you live. I guess they don't put people live then, huh? They said they will, but that's better. Oh my God, I'm going to take a loss on this. It's going to be full tilt. This account is not going to stay red today, guys. This account is going to be gone from my trading or it's going to be green. One tick from being up like, I don't know, 500 bucks. Oh my God. It's going to fall apart now. Well, too late. Oh, you fucking bastards, man. Yeah, this account's gonna be blown. Already $1,000 down in drawdown. Unbelievable. Holy shit. This makes me wanna just. Try and get 5 points on that ad. I'm not gonna go back to the highs, so I gotta work out of this trade before the highs. Just gotta take some profit. Just gotta close this trade at profit and call it a day on this account. Oh my god. This is the most frustrating trade of the week. Number one, dumbass buys at the top. Number two, I get greedy right here. I should have marketed out. This one, no, but this one, yes. Like after, just take the profit. You could look. I could have re-entered, made more profit. Like, come on, what am I doing? Sometimes. Well, this is gonna take me out of the trade here. So well, I could have crypto. I could have made money going long. I'm an idiot for not taking profit when I got missed by a tick. 2 times. Not only that, I was in this trade in profit so many times, I refused to get out. Apex's website's down, damn. Yeah, the dashboard is down. Sheesh. No, it's until Tuesday. The sale is until Tuesday. So, but the activation fees, if you want to take advantage of the activation fees, you got to pass before end of Tuesday, right? So keep that in mind. I passed evals yesterday on Nvidia earnings, so I'm okay for now. I'm gonna have 18, so I just need to pass 2 more. It would be nice to pass the 250Ks, but would have to wait for NFP for that, and that's the sale's gonna be gone by then for the promo. All right, fill me in this, please. Of course, I moved the order down and freaking skyrockets. I'm out. I'm out of this stupid trade. Let it go up now. That's fine. Who said it? Someone said it. Yeah, trader said next time you get out, it will skyrocket afterwards. Well, welcome. Welcome to the reality. Someone needs to make this a video. Unbelievable. Oh, I had my doubts. I had my doubts. I didn't break the drawdown rules, so that's pretty good. All right. But now what do we trade? How do we trade this now? Definitely not shorting. Yeah, could have made close to $1,000 right there. Damn. Extra 20 points. Would have been up like $900. Would have been nice on day number 1 of the account. But it's okay. I didn't activate these accounts for the ORB, so that's why I didn't trade them on the ORB. I have one more. I don't know why it's not activating. I don't know if I made a payment. Yeah, I made 4 payments. Am I all right? Yeah, I'm good. Having a pretty good day so far. I didn't trade my live account with Elite though, so the balances just changed. They just took the money out. I emailed them way too late yesterday, so they didn't get through it. So I gotta start getting in the habit. Once I close the ORB trade, just email them right away. I don't want to risk the payout, so could scalp these accounts. But no, we got this one, this Apex one, and then we'll see what's next. All right, let's trade this account now. I mean, we could retest the lows. I would be all for that. We could just retest these lows. Crazy that we made back the losses from Nvidia. But did Nvidia actually recover? Or just NQ? Let's see. No, definitely not. And Nvidia is still down. And SPY is down today. And Tesla is dumping. What's going on with Tesla today? Tesla is definitely going down big time. ETF have dailies for live? Yeah. Anything over $250, I believe? Or no? Forget what the minimum is, but yeah, Tesla seems to be going down a little bit. Yeah, you guys crashed the Apex website. So the lifetime promo is till Tuesday as well. And it's $37 for the big accounts, but guys, don't the big accounts for $37 are not worth it if you're not a trader who could pass those accounts like consistently. And there's no news to like take advantage of. Like yesterday, I passed at 250K on the earnings, and of course we were ripping higher now. Unbelievable. I was stuck in all this just to see, this is what I was looking for. Oh my goodness. Crazy. She crazy today. Why is it when I pop in your stream, I get my setups, but can't multitask and take them? Um, you're distracted. It's kind of similar to. It's not as distracting. Like for me, like to stream is more distracting, I think. Um, but when you watch someone, you also get distracted. Yeah, Apex is crashed. Can we still trade on Tuesday and pass on Tuesday and get the promo? Yeah, so it'll end at midnight. So if you pass your evals on Tuesday trading session, then you'll be able to activate. Remember, guys, Monday markets are closed. The stock market's closed, so futures are gonna be dead. So don't trade Monday. Just go touch grass. Everyone's trying to get their shot at 85 lifetime. It's more, I think, the 90% off than the lifetime. I'll be back at 20 Apex accounts after this promo for sure. I was not expecting it. I think I'm just gonna buy another Tradeify account. I can't seem to pass this eval. It's taking me forever, so probably just gonna buy a 50K account with Tradeify because they're gonna put me live eventually. So I'm gonna take advantage as much as possible. Yeah, Gus, I had the same thing. I was activating the accounts this morning, and I luckily, yes, I was supposed to activate them yesterday, right? So I could trade them this morning. And yesterday, actually, it's so funny. So yesterday, I went out to dinner to like a bar with another trader, another YouTube trader. My brother works on his cars. He has a Cayman and a Macan. So my brother works on his cars, and then they were talking, and then my brother told him who I was, and he's like, "No way!" He used to watch the stream. So, um, my Boxster also needs to be fixed. So I took it to my brother's, and then he was still there. So then we went out to eat and stuff. So that was pretty cool. But I got home super late. And then I went on stream on Nutty Stream. We played PGA golf till like 2 o'clock in the morning, 3 o'clock in the morning almost. And I never activated my accounts, and that saved me 140 minus 85. That's 55 times 4. So I saved like 250 bucks. What's a Cayman? It's a smaller version of a 911. It's the mid-engine Porsche. So the same one I have. Just I have a Boxster. Boxster is a convertible. But yeah, it was pretty cool. We talked. He's a big affiliate with My Funded Futures. He was on My Funded Futures TV as well. And then I think he's gonna go to the track with us. And guess what? And he plays golf. And he lives a few towns away from me. So we're gonna be playing some golf soon. And he's probably gonna come to the track with us in October. How do you even fit clubs in 911? You kind of can't. Yeah, passenger seat maybe, but probably it's It's gonna be rare that I'm gonna take the 911 to the course. Because, you know, after playing, they get all muddy and stuff, and you gotta clean them first, and you don't have time to clean them. And what a rip now. What a rip. Of course, after I get out, after I sit through all the troubles, luckily, at least I survived. But this is exactly the move I wanted. And now I'm not even participating in it because I think it's gonna sell off again. And I know it's not. It's gonna keep going now. Crypto CPA, how's your short going? How is that short? I don't clench on brand new accounts. I don't clench. Like, it's literally like playing PGA Tour, you know, just frustrating. But there's no like real emotions. Like day before payout, that's when it's. Do you ever move to one account when you are red on the other one? Yes, sometimes. I try not to, but sometimes I do. Yeah, they'll take the money, Chase. They'll take the money out of your account. You just won't get paid till next Tuesday or Wednesday, whatever. Tuesday, I think. Just be mindful that they're gonna put you live pretty quick. All right, maybe 2, 3 payouts and you're going live, which is not. I mean, compared to what they have in the sim, like, you know, 15, 20 accounts, you could have 250K accounts and whatnot. You know, like they would not survive that. That's the thing. They would not survive that. So that's all right. They put you live. The live accounts are if you have like 250K accounts, the sim accounts, then the live program is not bad. I could trade 2 contracts per account. I have $1,500 worth of drawdown, and it's end of day. And I have $6,000 total drawdown. So like if I was a good trader, I could take that 2 contracts, turn that into like 2K a day, you know? If I was confident. But I choose a smaller route. I choose to just scalp and make 200-300 bucks a day per account, withdraw it, get a paycheck. But if I was a good trader, like be able to run the momentum all the time, I would, you know, you can make some good money with it. I mean, it's 2 contracts. It's a lot. Why is everyone going against going live? Because it's not about going live. It's just the rules on the live are completely different than. It's like trading baby accounts, you know, baby PA accounts or funded accounts, like 25Ks, you know, tight risk, less accounts, all of those things. Cats, I use Photoshop. I just use Photoshop. Let me show you. I'm pretty good with Photoshop because I use it for work. But literally, it's just in Photoshop. I make, you know, you can make lines, and I made this separate. This upper banner is separate now, so it's easier to update. Um, It used to be all together. So if I wanted to change something, Nutty has a way better system because he could change stuff so fast. I can't change it fast. I got to do this and save it, blah blah blah. It's a little bit more time consuming, but it works for me. How do you how did you get over revenge trading? I didn't. I still revenge trade sometimes. I get better um with certain trades. So like my opening range trade when it loses, I try not to revenge more. But even last Friday, I took the opening range trade. I lost on the long, and then I took it again on the short. So I didn't revenge, but I did take another trade, which I'm not really technically supposed to. So I don't know. I did it in July where I lost on the opening range trade, and it was a smaller loss. It was like 57 ticks. So I was like, oh, maybe I could make this loss back. And then I took another loss, and then I started revenge trading. So there's always a threshold until you start revenge trading. But it's part of the journey, I guess. Everyone's got to go through it, and it's very hard to break. There's some people that don't revenge trade, but they don't make money either. Like they're just very conscious of the cost of the accounts. So they don't revenge trade, but then you see them trade very small size. So they never really get payouts. So there's those two spectrums, which spectrum do you want to be on? It's really your decision, but pretty much. But even then, that will still tilt at some point. That's why trading small is tough because you trade small until you lose, and then you just size up and then you blow it. What a rip! What a rip! Unbelievable. Yeah, you could also I mean, I don't know. Canva doesn't really work, but there's like Photoshop is pretty complicated, so there's got to be easier ways to do it. Like Photoshop is simple for me to do something like that, but for someone that doesn't know how to use Photoshop, it might be complicated. But man, I need to practice on. We're gonna have some streams with PGA Tour because I need to practice. I was so bad. I don't understand. Like the career mode was so easy, and I played with Nutty yesterday, and I could not make a damn putt. Is PGA 2K free? No, it's 50 or $60. You know what sucks about that game is you can't play with like professional players. So you have your own player, and if you're not leveled up, you're gonna suck. So if you just want to compete online, you can't. Like I wish I could play as like Scotty Scheffler or Bryson. You know what I mean. As a professional player, I know Bryson's not in the PGA, but like my player is like basic rookie. I could drive 250 yards. Come on, like I could almost drive 250 yards if I hit it straight. Uh, I'm probably gonna get the I think I know what clubs I'm gonna get. But speaking of the driver, I send this to Nutty. I'm like, I read on the internet that if I go to the store every day, I'll get better at golf. They would fit on the passenger seat, yeah. So you can't take a trolley. Why would I need a trolley for? I have shot. I don't take the 911 to the course. I take my SUV. But why would I need a trolley? You just put it on the back of the golf cart. I'm not walking the course. Hell no. Half the fun of the golf is driving the cart. What about the driving range inside the house? Yeah, I have that thing already. I have the simulator already. But I will be building a second garage in my backyard, more like a shed. It's gonna be a garage, but I'm gonna use it mainly not for a car. I'm gonna use it for tools, my equipment, and maybe. But in order for me to do the golf sim in there, I would have to put heating in there. So I don't know if it's gonna be worth it. Because heating is easy, but in order to do heating, then you got to do insulation, you got to do sheetrock, you completely finish the garage. That was not part of my budget or plan. Yeah, I have the golf simulator. I have the Rapsodo MLM. Get a coat. No, in that case, I'd rather just go to a real driving range. Driving ranges are open in the winter, no? Maybe like not like the freezing days, but I just thought about that. Like Top Golf is a huge place. Like, do they close in the winter? I mean, that's a big building to close for like 3-4 months. Dominican Trader, good morning. Did any of you guys catch Nutty's stream overnight? Poor guy is doing a 24-hour stream. He is nuts after all. Oh, Matty Matt, you didn't see us play golf? Me and Nutty played golf. Let me see if I could let me see if I could find. I got a trade. I got like 30 minutes left. I gotta find another trade. I didn't have a good headset down. I was in my bed playing on my laptop. I have a pretty good gaming laptop. Can't play Call of Duty on it, but I was able to play there it is. Oh man, it's so good. I was so bad at this, so don't judge.
All right, who do you think will win, guys? Hang on, we need to do a poll. We need to do a poll. Who will win, guys?
From
You hate to see it. You hate to see it.
It's not where I'm aiming either.
Yeah, I know. It's crazy how this game everything goes right. That's a good solid. That's a solid shot right there.
Setting up here in
Okay, we've got 140 yards to the pin. We're gonna be aggressive. We're gonna go for it. We are gonna go for it. Oh, that's a bad shot. We got it. We got the hook. Oh, I got a good kick. Oh, oh, what a nice kick. Oh,
third shot for him.
I'd rather that was maybe a little bit lucky. Alpine now. I apologize. I just talked in your backswing. Oh,
That was pretty fun, but I'm terrible at the game, so I gotta work. I don't even know the controls. I thought you just swing back and forth and it goes, but nope, not the case. And I needed to be more prepped. I was so tired. I didn't want to get on my desk, so I was using like the headphones from like Apple headphones as the mic. I didn't even know he had on the stream. All right, let's get a sell off here. And what is going on with my winning streak? Put you on. Join me, baby. Join me. ORB all day, every day. ORB pays. All right, I'm gonna go get my Red Bull, and then we're gonna finish last 30 minutes. I'm gonna start scalping and see what happens. What's the worst that could happen? I hope the wedding is good tonight. Good party. The venue has good pizza, like a outdoor pizza grill for cocktail hour. So I can't wait for that. I haven't had carbs all week. I'm off tomorrow, so should be able to stream till regular hours. And I was hoping I could go play golf this weekend, but I don't think that's gonna be possible yet. What's the distance with my drive? Like 210, 220. Definitely got work to do on that. I've only been playing for 3 weeks. That's nice. My brother's already hitting past 230, 240. I can't. That's like, on the course it's different. On the course, you gotta hit the clean shot. It's not as easy. 270. Nice. What driver do you use? I use like a bad one too, so maybe when I upgrade. But if I could hit 200 yards straight, I'll be happy. All right, guys, do we just dive in this? Is this gonna continue higher or is it gonna roll over? That's the thing. That's the hard part right now. Deciding which way this will go. I want to start scalping a little bit. I feel like once I get in the position, we could kind of work out of it. It's a 150K account, brand new, so not much. I mean, 150Ks are definitely more difficult. There should be one more. I don't know why I didn't activate. I gotta check. Should be one more. I activated 4. Apex is still down. Well, that's no bueno. Well, it keeps going higher. Funded ticks randomly breached accounts. Well, Apex website is down. It's not Apex data. Yeah, Apex is it was down and now maybe it's getting back up, but it's still buggy. So just be patient. I guess they were not prepared for this sale. This on NinjaTrader, it's cool. Like I could see my weekly gain. So this is how much I made on these accounts during this week. Solid week. Oh, guys, I drove my car yesterday. Oh my God, I don't want to get rid of it. My old car is so much fun. Yeah, there will be plenty of time to buy the accounts, but I know people want to buy it now because the volatility is still decent. Once the volatility dies down, then it's annoying. No, activation for Apex is $85, and on the big accounts, like 250K, it's only $37. Insane, insane, insane. I have one account that I passed. I finished passing it today. Is Apex requiring screenshots? No, only sometimes you might need to send something in if they suspect something. If you trade with multiple IP addresses or there's something, if you're copy trading someone. So like the big thing, um, I mean, this is going back a few months ago now, but with like copy trading, right? So how would the prop firm know if someone's copy trading or using like TradeSyncer as a trading service? Because I could just link up your accounts to my TradeSyncer and you could take the trades, right? So Apex or prop firms in general would see if the same trades are taken on different accounts over a longer period of time. And if there's any like same entries and exits, then that raises a flag and then I guess do more investigation. So let's say if I did the opening range trade on stream, I think that would screw everything up. Like I will not do the opening range trade on stream until I'm live with every prop firm, I think. Just for the sake of safety and making sure I make some money for myself. And I might be showing it, here and there. I showed it yesterday what my execution was. So I might show it throughout the streams once a day what my execution was on certain days, just so people kind of get an idea. But What a rip. What a rip. What a rip. I was right the whole entire time, guys. If you're just tuning in, I was fighting a trade right here. Fighting this right here. My exit initially was at 678. Then what was it, guys? Here, right? Where did I get missed by a tick? Here. Then my exit was right here at 670 and a quarter. Finally went against me again. Finally I get out and then it starts ripping. Like unbelievable. Sounds like more reasons not to pay out. Nuts. How come you don't get free evals for giveaways like everyone else? Because I don't beg. Um, I usually would ask, or they would reach out to me and give me like if I'm reaching like a milestone on the channel. But it's like they do giveaways for like my fundy futures, Tradeify. I don't know how that any of that works. I started doing giveaways with my own money, and I still do that. So for me, it's like whenever my channel grows big enough to do that. I mean, FSP is way bigger than I am, right? So that also plays a factor. His channel is massive. He got the algorithm on lockdown. Very smart guy. All right, I'm gonna buy this, guys. I'm gonna start scalping. Let's see what happens. No, I'm in. I'm gonna try to. This is for entertainment. So we got 10, 15 minutes left before I gotta start closing it up. I gotta get ready for work. I did not prep anything, so I don't even know what I'm playing tonight yet. Well, I did have a meeting with them, so I kind of have an idea, but I didn't prep everything yet. So I gotta do that. It's gonna take me about an hour. Then I gotta get some lunch and gotta head out at 2:30. Well, that scalp didn't work, but we're gonna just DCA a little bit, see what happens. I just love buying the tops today. Has Apex been requesting videos and screenshots? Not that I know of. Maybe like a month ago or something. It's usually when people give them a reason to suspect of something. I don't know. Sometimes it's random too, but just send the screenshots and whatever. And if you don't want to deal with it, then don't trade with Apex. That's the simplest answer there is, right? I'm gonna sell that just so I could have a wider stop. That's still like 8 points or something. Only down $200 right now, so we're chilling still. What Apex account would you go for? 150K is my favorite, but depends on your 50Ks are definitely the most popular. Yeah, very big sell off here. Of course, I bought it at the worst time. Unreal, guys. I bought it at the worst time. And just my luck today. No, we got 200 moving average here. And take a quick entry, quick exit. All right, so I'm just scalping now, kind of just trying to increase my average. Now, hopefully, we'll get a bounce. But the problem is, I will not be able to finish this trade on stream if we don't bounce soon or if I don't get stopped out soon. So it better work. Yes, these random trades are killing me. But if we keep selling off, of course, the first two-legged pullback, I'll be longing. Let's see what we got. Can we hold this low here? Down 600. Gotta stop out like negative 1500 completely. It's gonna be soon, I think. Down. Think that's roughly accurate. Yep, Apex is 1 day pass. 1 day pass, 90% off, $85 lifetime activation. So it's the best promo Apex could ever have. That's why the website crashed. Come on, go up more. There we go. All right, sold another ad. So that gives us more breathing room. Getting 10 points on the ads. And then eventually we hope that we get a bounce. It's 11:30 though. Oof. All right, 10 more minutes. 10 more minutes. You could do it. No more 16 USD. It is. For the 50K account. I think it's like 16. Actually, they might have raised the price. I think it's like 17 something now. Anyone know the price off top of their head? All right. Nice move up. But is there going to be a trap right there and just sell off again? Could be. We're not monetized today. What a rip. Go, go, go. Can she go higher? I'm only down $80. $20. Let's go. Look, I am down from the initial entry. I am down 24 points, but I made that loss back, right? So now I'm break even though the price is 24 points lower than my initial entry. That's the whole point of this strategy. Like if I DCA'd, I would have had to stop out. I didn't DCA. I just basically ignored my trade here. Right? You ignore this entry and you take this trade, exit, this trade, exit, this trade, exit. So these are individual trades for about 10 points each. Versus if you just add, and you try to get out break even, you know, it's much more difficult. All right, two-legged pullback would be nice right now, but it's ripping and doesn't have any pullbacks. I'm going to reload my data just in case. Why am I never at 20 Apex accounts? I don't know. Because I trade my accounts kind of in different, like my accounts are never synced. Last time I had like 19 Apex accounts. I will get to 20. I will get to 20 Apex accounts by end of the sale for sure. I passed some evals yesterday on NVIDIA long. I don't know how I did it, but I entered Nvidia long before their earnings. It spiked enough to get me out, and then it dumped. That was nice. Why don't you set a take profit and stop loss? I do, but not on every trade. She's ripping up $300. I think at $500, I gotta get out. I don't want to get too greedy. All right, we finally have a pullback, but that's technically a first pullback, so entry above that wouldn't be part of my plan. Let's see if we can make new highs here. Break 720s, hit the target, and call it a day because I got work. It's crazy how fast the time goes when you want it to go slow because you're stuck in the trade and you're trying to just like I have time. I'm not gonna leave my house till 2 o'clock, maybe even 2:30. So I got time. It's just I gotta put trading off to the side and actually focus on work. I wish I got to trade my Elite Trader funding accounts though. That would have been nice. I would love to get a payout approval from Apex. Come on. Go, go, go. Motor squeeze. Come on, baby. Can we get 725? Can we get 725? Going once. Going twice. Come on. What is my average win versus average loss? I would say 4-1. Like average. It's hard to say. 3-1, 4-1. It's always negative risk reward though. Always negative. Because as long as my payouts is a positive risk reward, then that's all that matters. But yeah, probably got greedy there again. But we got a two-legged pullback now, guys. So I should be adding right there. I'm not going to, obviously, because target's right there, but got my two-legged pullback. So we make new highs now. I'm very confident that we should hit the target. And if we don't, I'm going to just get out and not get too upset. Still green on this trade, so nothing to worry about yet. Hopefully this doesn't make new lows, though. That would suck. I definitely am more aggressive with new accounts, guys. These are new accounts, so first day of this account, I'm a little bit more aggressive as far as like the way I approach it. Like I'm not worried about it too much in the sense. And it usually works out pretty well. That's the thing. Yeah, hit the likes, guys. We got about 10 minutes left on the stream, and I really gotta go. I got to DJ wedding tonight. Thursday wedding again. It's my second one in exactly a month ago. I did one. No, it was July 17th. Thursday weddings are fun, especially for like the people that are going to the wedding. It's like you got a Thursday wedding, probably take off from work on Friday, and then you're off from work on Monday. Like you got a 5-day weekend or 6-day weekend. Well, 5-day because most likely they're working today, then going to the wedding after. Yeah, so remember, guys, Monday, the markets are closed. So if you're trading futures on Monday, I don't know. I'm not sure what to tell you. All right, I just want to get out of this trade for like 500 bucks. Come on. It's not going to let me, though. It's not going to let me. It's not going to be easy. Wow, can't even get 11 ticks. Come on. Give me my 11 ticks. That's $50. You can do it. Nope. He doesn't want to. All right, this account might be just down 1,500 bucks today. I don't think I'm going to be able to survive this. And then recover. That sucks. Was up nicely there, but just a little too shy of the target. Greedy. Greed is real today, but that's how I trade on new accounts. I am very just going for the targets, not cutting the trades off. It's always the bad entry, right? It's always the first entry that's bad for me today. Need a bounce now. Nope. All right, let me. I can't set a stop. I wish I could set a $1,500 stop loss, but I can't. Gotta watch. I don't even know when it's gonna hit it now. It's gonna be soon though. 3 contract. I had tried 2 times to add and get out for 10 ticks and it wouldn't let me. So 680. So 680. I think right there is where I gotta stop out. Not to break the rules. Egan, good luck. Good luck. Thanks for using the code. Bummer. I was green on this. Unbelievable. I was green on this. Unbelievable. I'm buying too deep of pullbacks. Got to buy shallow pullbacks. See this, guys? When there's shallow pullbacks, it keeps going higher. Soon there's a deeper pullback, it does not go higher. So deep pullbacks are actually just traps. It's like it's got to go either all the way down or stay away once it makes a deeper pullback. Because once it makes a deeper pullback, you got to think about the longs, right? The longs are now kind of getting stuck. If it pulls back and it doesn't make new highs, it's now causing the longs to be stuck. And the tides turn. All right, stop me already if you're going to stop me out so I don't waste too much time. Not worry about this. This is just one account. It's only $1,500 loss, so not a big deal at all. It's a 150K account. Got plenty of drawdown left if it does stop me out. So we'll take it. We'll take it, and we'll be happy with today. I will see if I could request more payouts today. I don't know. Nice payout with Tradeify yesterday, so I'm pumped about that. Can we get a bounce and get lucky here? Let's see. Can we get a little bit of a bounce and get lucky? I'm only down 278. Like if this bounces, we could really be green or at least break even and just call it a day. Like I don't have to be at the highest point of the account at this point. Again, I need to go. Nope. Selling off pretty strong. I think it's going to bounce. I think it's going to bounce. Just don't know when. I feel like it's a tough one. It could definitely sell off too. But once we get to the opening range straight lows, definitely would be interested in the long again. So many ways to look at this. You know, is the range just getting tighter? It's going to go up and down in the tighter range. Jason, how was your round of golf? Bolonox is also Project X. They don't have trade of 8 though. Come on, baby. Go up. There we go. Break even right there. So that's our break even point. 697 is our break even. So if we could get to 707, we'll be up 400 bucks. I mean, maybe I'll just take that. I don't think so. I've never heard of them say trade of 8. Well, that sucks, Jason. What a chop. It's probably gonna flush down. All right, guys, I'm gonna take a look at how much work I gotta do. So I will not be as responsive to the chat. See what we got going on. All right. I got a feeling. Girls coming out to Run the World. Guys are coming out to One Kiss by Calvin Harris. The bride and groom are walking out to. Ooh, interesting. Oh, it's actually super easy. Go up, please. Get me out of this trade, man. No, bride's walking out to pump it up. Mm. Can we get this to pop? Oh my god. Oh, TikToks, you're short. Not good. It's gonna rip. I'm not worried about this, guys. I am not worried about this. If it goes down, it goes down. Who cares? It's Thursday. It's wedding day. It's a good day. All green. More payouts are coming. Got my $9,000 payout from Tradeify yesterday. Life is good. The only thing that sucks is my injury and I can't play golf. I am so mad about that. You guys have no idea how frustrating and irritating it is to have an injury that just lingers and you don't know when it's going to get better because it's not like an obvious one. It's so strange how it's so strange. I could work out, I could do planks, I could do all these type of workouts and it doesn't hurt. It's my rib muscle strain. Maybe I need to go see a chiropractor, see if they could do something. Come on, just break the 700s, go to like 710, get me out. and we'll call it a day and then go down. We could all make money. We could all be good. Come on, NASDAQ, be nice. Like 710, I'll get out.
Connection lost.
Connection lost to NinjaTrader. Wow, we're just stuck in this tight channel. It's prepping to go down, I think. Unless it makes new highs. You know, it's making lower lows every time, so it's not a good sign. I don't know where my stop's gotta be, so I gotta just gonna pay attention. Well, I'm down like $500 here. So if I'm down $500 here, I could risk another. Okay, so my stop could be below the lows. That's not bad. I think. I don't know if that's Band Capital. We're doing good. Stuck in this trade. Just got greedy on it again. Just been greedy today. I'm trying to go to work. And luckily I have an easy wedding today, so it's not too bad. But I definitely don't want to rush, and I have a tendency to always rush to my jobs because I'm always forgetting about something last minute. So there's always something I got to do that I totally forget about, and then I'm ready to go, and I'm like, oh shit, I need to do this or do that, you know, and I need to go to storage, or I need to, you know, get the song, or I need to get something, and I'm always behind. Yeah, short stream. I'm supposed to be done already. Supposed to be done at 11:30, but I've been stuck in this trade for a long time. I'm just trying to get out of it. Whether it's a loss or a win, I don't know, but just try and get out of it on stream. I mean, I could just go shower. That's another thing I gotta do. I gotta go shower, right? So I could just leave this on and go shower and come back to either green or red. But if I can't manage it, then sometimes I'm able to manage it, you know. Like I should have gone out right there. When it failed the double top, I should have just gone out. Oh, Nutty's done? Oh no. Yeah, I don't know how you survived that long in the first place. I'm a night owl and I wouldn't be able to do it. Go, 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 go. Sim account. When you log into Tradeovate with prop firms, it's always the sim environment. I just need literally 10 points. 10 point spike. I'm break even right now. Just need like 708. All right. Are we gonna get it? Are we gonna get it? Ghostberry, yeah, I'm getting ready for work too. I gotta go. I gotta go.
Come on, go! Yes! Come on, chat, we could do it!
Alrighty, let's see if we can hit the target or we're gonna get greedy again. Just short of target. Oh my god. We're gonna have problems with NQ.
Yeah, tell him, Alpine. Tell him. Tell him how you feel.
This is not even funny. Why is this happening today? We got some issues with NQ right now. Finally. All right. I'm not going to be a greedy fig. I am going to just trail it by one candle. If I could get extra 5 points, we'll take it. If not, we'll get stopped out and it's going to be fine. If I could get 7 tens, I'll get out. Can we get a little bit more? I should just close it so I could go to work. There we go. Come on, 710. That's all I want. That's all I want. All right, we're going to choke that win. The market's moving like a snail. If we hit that target, we'll be up $500, which is not terrible. What a hard way to make $500. I can't believe I make this in 5 seconds at the open, and I got to work for an hour. Pump it up, baby. Alpine mode.
Yeah, it's Alpine, let's go. Take profit in my pocket, watch the candles climb.
Of course, it's going to rip now.
YouTube chats alive, we're on the grind.
Okay.
Wake up to the charts, futures looking bright. Scalping every tick. take risk management tight. Apex funded, got the strategy right. Turning every trade into a profitable side. Take profit in my pocket, watch the candles climb.
Why didn't we just let it run? I had a trail stop.
From the charts to the wheel, Porsche on the move. Trader fights the rhythm, every trade's in the groove. All B's the play, making profits improve. Live streaming the hustle, watch the profits prove. Take profit in my pocket, watch the candle climb. All B plays, Porsche rolls, it's trading time. Trader fights my tool, guiding every line. YouTube chat's alive, we're on the grind.
I feel like I'm Avicii right here. Rest in
From the charts
peace.
to the road, it's all about the hustle. Alpine out.
Let's go. What a win. But of course, I should have trailed it. I freaking knew it. I had a perfect stop. Trailed. Oh, I should have just trailed it. Should have just trailed it. Look how much more we could have made. Oh my God. But I'm happy to be green. I really thought I was going to lose on that trade. All right, so green, $7,300 on Rhythmic accounts, and on Ninja we are green, like 2,000, a little bit over 2,000. So pretty much close to a $10,000 day. Not bad. I am not sure if I could request a payout from TraderFi today. I don't know if I can. Let's go to dashboard. How much do I need to have in this account to get a payout? I need 1,500 profit. Oh, because it's 20% consistency on this account. So that's not gonna happen. This is a straight to funded, so it's 20% consistency. It is not 35%, so that kind of screws me up. Can't request a payout yet. That's all right. The account's gonna keep growing. We're gonna make some more profit. Probably won't be able to request a payout with them till next month at this point. Not the worst case. We'll live. We'll live. We'll be fine. All right, guys. I'll see you all tomorrow. I gotta go.
We the best traders. Alpine got the playbook. Alpine Nation, stand up. They ain't ready.
Have a great weekend. I mean,
I'm in that Alpine.
we'll be back tomorrow.
Alpine in the seat. Now the whole team glow. Wrist tight, gains high, never trade slow. Lessons on lock.
I am going to do a sound check to this song tonight.
Calls come clean.
YouTube chat live.
Legends in the game. We don't just survive. No pump, no hype, just the real flow. Alpine fam, yeah, we all in the zone. Let me talk to him. Alpine drop gems, that's a master class. Turning L's into W's fast. Win big, win small, lose small. Facts. Running this court like Goldman Sachs. Community lit. Voice chat popping, no random alerts. We know what's
Van
dropping.
Capital, we need to get golf involved. We need golf.
Flopping, hit a gold in the zone. Self-made, built this all on his own. Legends tier, that's throne level tone. Talk the game, now the students full grown.
Yeah, Ben, we gotta sit down and like brainstorm their lyrics to make like a final introvert song so we could play it every morning. I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'll be on tomorrow for sure, and I'm off tomorrow. So the only thing is, if I'm like super tired, I don't know if I should just take a nap after the opening range trade and then get on later. I don't know, but we'll see. We'll see how I feel, what time I get home tonight, and probably won't get home till 1 a.m. So that's what sucks. But yeah, see you guys tomorrow at some point. Most likely regular schedule, but see ya. Apex 90% off. Let's go.